Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make EDM music like Marshmello. Marshmello's classic EDM music blends in electronic sounds and presets from the genre of future bass and combines it with trap drum beats. He keeps his chords and melodies simple but still catchy and uplifting. So with these things in mind, I'm going to show you how to create a song in his style by remaking his song Down. So this song starts out with a simple chord progression with a simple melody along. So as you can see, it's some very simple chords, and if you don't know how to write chords yourself, I've created a video on that you can go check out. And then the melody as well, also just nothing crazy. It's a simple, happy melody that plays on top of these chords. And then for the melody, and together they sound like this. So also in the intro we just have some simple white noise and some white noise up as well. And then also a clap to take us into the verse, as well as this sub bass and reverse. Moving on to the verse of the song, we now have this guitar bass kind of sound. It doesn't really sound that close to the actual song. I kind of use some different ones. And together they sound like this. Kind of a simple trap beat. So we just have this kick drum that plays this, I like to call it the Marshmello rhythm, because he uses it in many of his songs. And then we just have some snare sounds. And then a hi-hat. And that's pretty much it for the verse, which together we get this. Now for the build-up, this is where we switch things up a little bit. We got the build-up drums, so we got some snares and some claps. And we also have this different kick. Have some downlifters. And then also I could hear there were some chants in the actual song. Then we have some riser. Then we have a respace playing the same notes from the verse, which I've rendered out the respace just to save some CPU. And then we have the drop lead, which for this song, Marshmello just used a melody we had in the intro and verse, and then just filled in the notes so that it sounds like this instead. Which together sound like this. So then I have this filter that I've automated, and that's pretty much it for the build up. For the drop, we have the drop leads. Then we have the drop bass, which plays the same notes. Marshmello has this type of bass, which is very fat bass. And together we get this. Just make sure that you EQ out the lower frequencies. And then we have the sub bass. Nothing special about that one. For the drums, we just have a simple trap beat. So with a kick drum, some snares and claps. And then a fast hi-hat. Some crashes. Marshmello always uses crashes in his beats. And then for the second part, usually Marshmello either takes the hi-hat and speeds it up, or he speeds maybe the kick drum up, or he adds a ride like the one I have right here. And then I have this crowd effect, which is sidechained to the kick. Now that I've showed you how I created the full song, let's listen to the full thing.